Alright, so check out the shop. Oh wow. Whoa, no way. It's a what is that? Three-headed dragon. That's actually really sick. Nothing else new. No, don't got any trophies for the trophy collection. Pants, need pants. Everyone needs pants. Got some pants going. This funny guy. Uh, nope, bad. There's actually some sick dragons. Godzilla. They get the licenses. Like they get the licensing for the weirdest things. But let's be a bird. About time. There's no duos. No way. There's no duos. Okay. I guess we'll just do solos. That's gonna be weird. Need when we need Ku in here, but that's a-okay. I've got a stuffed bear, and it is the cutest thing. You have no idea. I just got it from the supermarket, but I saw it and I was like, this is an instant buy. There's no way I'm letting this guy get passed up on. So, seeing if this even works. Treetop tumble. Gotta get some like music in or something. That would be good, but that'll be for the future because I don't know what is licensed and not, or whatnot. Okay, so as you guys will see, I'm an expert in the top part, so I really get a head start because I'm always like first up here. Just you watch. You will be surprised. Okay, wait, trust. I just need people to like get out of the way and fall. So, you know how it is. Okay, you see now I'm on the top part. That was just bad top part. Oh, here we go. See, you know how it is. You see me. You okay. The top part's bad anyway. Faster if you're on the bottom. But these rhinos sometimes get so annoying. Their existence is a problem. But okay. See, seventh. I knew what I was doing. See, fake out the top part. Top part, not actually good. Very bad. You want to skip that part. I knew that. Top 20%. I didn't realize my face was red. That actually looks got a neck rash or something. I don't know. It's style. But, first game, it's going to be a win. You know. I have no clue if my mic is way too loud or if anything else is too quiet. You know what? I should at least make them equal. That'd be a good idea, I'd imagine. Well, I don't know. Gonna have to test with it. But I don't know why the decibels are in the negatives. I don't know how that works. I can't. You have negative sound, I guess. Oh, this one's bad. This one's impossible. This one's impossible to lose on. That's what it's impossible for. That guy has a freaking portal in the back of his head. He must die. Oh, wait. Hold on. Not the other way around. Oh! I got one. I got one. Boots. Boots! This, I think, was boot. Yes, it was. Okay, well we already killed one person. We're already doing good. Boots, nail, boot, nail, rocket, other thing. I think this is also nail. Oh, star. Boot, nail, rocket, star. Boot, nail, this one. Ah. Okay, there's a lot of people here. We can maybe get someone. Not me. I am not the person. I am not the one. Pigeon should not die. Pigeons are smart. Oh, I have not been paying attention. I'll trust the bearded guy. Trust the beard boy. Okay, beard boy can die now. Beard boy is no longer needed. Is that it? Yes. Only a few people died. I am happy to know that I am one of the reasons that someone died. Okay, I killed a third of the lobby, or killed the third of the people that died. Easy, easy dubs. There's been a lot of more rounds recently. It used to be where sometimes it would go only to like 3 rounds. Now it's like 7, which is actually a lot. Mostly just time-wise. It takes so much longer to lose in the finale, but yeah. Make sure you have a tail when the timer. Oh, it's literally just you have to have one at the end. It's not a time. This is going to be the worst one. You know I'm going to lose a tail in the last 2 seconds. I'll just hide. I'll just not exist. You know what? I'm AFK and I do not have a tail. Trust me. Okay. I didn't want a tail anyway. So many people are gonna die. Except for me. I'm not gonna be one of those. Yeah, you should not run in this direction, buddy. Bad direction to run in. And we'll be right here. This is a good spot. No, that was not what I wanted to do. But it's fine. Hey, buddy. We'll be together. Oh, yo, this place is sick. This is where I want to be. This is where all the cool people with tails live. Woo. Okay. You know how it is. Ain't gonna lose here. I remember I used to hate these tiles. These tiles used to be the worst. But... Oh, no. Yes, I don't exist. I'll just stand. Pigeon! Pigeon! This bird's better. Let's go. There had to have been like 2/3 of the people did not have a tail. Okay, or half. It looked a lot more than a half, but I guess that's just me. Uh, I saw so many people chasing one guy. There were like 4 people chasing one tail. Literally men. 4 men chasing a single woman. Society. Wall guys. We ain't falling no more. Okay, straight to the left or right. Use up. Okay, if you insist. 3, 2, 1. There's... Dang, that guy's bruised. He got 5 bandages. What are they doing? NPCs. Is this jump even possible? Of course it is. That jump should be possible. Okay. Yeah, you know what? You can move it around if you insist. This is the only way to get up. So I mean, I'm just gonna wait for people to push it. I'm not gonna do the pushing. What is happening here? Nobody is gonna qualify. Only 8 people qualify. What is this? What is happening? We are going in the opposite direction. No, no, bad. Bad, bad, very bad. Grab, grab, grab. I don't... Okay. Are you kidding? This game. What is this? What is happening? Who? Ow. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, wait. Oh, no. No. Come on, you guys are struggling up here, right? Why can't I... You guys are struggling, right? This is impossible. No, this isn't impossible. Oh, this is not good. Okay, in the up, we have to dash and grab. Okay. You know what we should do is dash and grab. Dash. Okay. Now we need to... Now we need to actually do things that are good. Yes, move it closer. Oh my, no, 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 no. Oh, I thought that was gonna be an easy qualify. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.